Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and I'm a British author of children's and young adult fantasy and science fiction, and short stories for all ages. Today I'm going to talk about 10 ways to be more productive with your writing time. Not all these things will work for everyone, but you might find one or two that'll help you along the way. Let's get into it. 1. Turn off all distractions. I've talked about this before, but if you want to be focused, whatever work you're doing, you need to get rid of distractions. So turn off your notifications, shut the door to anyone else in the house, and, if necessary, put on some noise-cancelling headphones or music. And that leads me on to point 2, music. I don't find this to be the case. I prefer silence. But many people find that having a playlist of tracks that put you in the right mood helps their productivity. You probably shouldn't choose tracks where people are singing, or you might just end up singing along. But instrumental tracks as a background, or even things such as whale song or other nature tracks, might help you to get going. 3. Set a specific time of day to write, so that you get into the habit of writing. It doesn't have to be a long period of time, and you might decide on several times in a day. But this will get you into the mindset that this is writing time. 4. As well as setting a specific time, you might want to try writing sprints. This is when you set a timer for a short period of time and challenge yourself to write as much as possible in that time. You could do several of these in a row, with short breaks in between, to gradually build up your productive time. 5. Forget about editing. One of the best things I ever did was learn not to keep going back and tweaking the words as I was writing. If you push on through, you'll get a lot more written and are more likely to reach the end. Editing is for when you're finished. It's a completely different process and will change your mindset if you try to do this in the middle of drafting. 6. Get plenty of sleep. No, not when you're supposed to be writing. If you're well rested, you'll be much more able to concentrate on your writing. 7. Don't sit still for too long. We all need breaks, and writing is a very sedentary pursuit. Make sure that you get up and walk about at least once an hour. And you can be sure that when you spend that 5 minutes going to make a coffee, the best ideas will come to you. 8. Go for a walk. Now, this might seem counterproductive, but as with point 7, some of your best ideas will come to you when you aren't actually writing. Just make sure you have something with you to write, or record your ideas, if you're likely to forget them. 9. Keep going. A productive writer rarely waits for the ideas to come to them. If they're feeling their writing is a little stagnant, they simply start writing and keep going until they become unstuck. 10. Write something different. I've never truly believed in writer's block. The key for me is to simply write something different if I can't see a way through. And because I love writing flash fiction, that's quite easy for me. Think of these tiny stories, or whatever else you decide to write, as palate cleansers before you get into the main meal. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be back soon.